daily reminder.
Now, you're probably wondering what started this daily reminder trend. But before we go into that, let's teach you how to fly a drone.
Because then you realize what you miss out on all along.
It all started with coming up with the perfect birthday present for Marie.
You know, if it has to be some kind of a review of electronics. Roomba, caramba.
Don't.
Okay. You didn't tell me. What should I do?
And as you can see, Marie was struggling a bit with the carton box.
Smells like popcorn. You bought us popcorn?
Why does she always have to think about food? Anyways, let us finally get to the big reveal. I got her a drone, the L'Idea 16, a cutting-edge aerial vehicle.
You're kidding me! I was just thinking about it today. That we can buy drone. That would be so nice to have a footage of drone.
Unfortunately, I forgot to buy the necessary batteries, so the footage will have to come later.
You surprised me. I don't know where we were, like in a bridge or somewhere, and I was like, it would be like super cool if we would have like a drone, like who would actually make for us the footage.
It's super compact.
And it's super light, actually.
Fuck you, weirdo. How did I get so lucky?
This can fly. I guess this is it.
So after finalizing all this preparation from France to England, we finally gave the drone into Marie's hands for the official launch. That is until she decided that it's nicer to use it as a catwalk machine. But look, isn't she beautiful? So I decided I had to jump in and ask her for a dance. And after that, we decided to have some more fun with the drone. But in all fairness, we're still beginners. So we were really trying to figure out how we can use this drone in the best way. And we're looking forward to test it out further in the future. So if you want to know more about how this L'Idea 16 drone compares to the other drones in the market, stay tuned and we'll talk about it later.